expected kong magulo, maingay, at may makikilala kayo na magpapabago sa buhay niyo.
Ay, may pa-love life si Sir.
Been awake for a
Hello?
while
Pwede ko ba yung
now.
stapler mo?
Sure.
Cause every time I see your bubbly face, I get a feeling that I can't replace. It starts in my toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know you're making me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time. Wherever
First day mo, no?
Halata bang first day ko?
Joe? Hi, I'm Belinda.
I'm Donato.
Ay, stapler.
Ay! Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Good luck on your first day, Donato.
Ini-expect ko, hindi kayo mahihiyang magtanong sa akin.
Sir? Sir, kahit nonsense?
Yes! Kahit nonsense.
starts in my toes.
Saan na tinuturo mo?
Science po, ma'am.
Wow! Alam mo ba, amazing ako sa concept ng gravity.
Hindi mo na ibabalik yan.
Akin na to.
Ganun.
Akin na to.
May natural fool talaga ang ibang tao.